Welcome to the Utah TechCast.
My name is Adam Rushforth, and today we're going to talk about using help features on the computer with Windows using JAWS. So I have JAWS 17 installed on this computer, and one of the most basic help commands is the keyboard learn mode, which is either what you would call JAWS key, which on a standard keyboard is the insert or the 0 on that when the numpad is turned off. You hold that and then press 1 on the number row above the normal keyboard. So I will go ahead and do that.
Keyboard help on.
And when the keyboard help is on, you can press individual keys or combination of keys, and it will tell you what they are. So here's just a few letters.
H, T, P. Enter.
It did not tell me the Alt key, but I'm going to do a few shortcuts. I'll do insert with D as in dog.
Insert plus D activates Dictionary Manager.
I'll do insert C.
Insert plus C if in a dialog window for spell checker or find and replace says the misspelled or highlighted word as it appears on its line in the document.
And I'll do Windows M.
Windows M.
Didn't tell you what that does. That should go to the desktop. I'll try Windows D here.
Windows D.
Yeah, it's not telling you. So it does tell you some of the shortcuts and what they do, but it doesn't tell you all of them. So it is a good place to find and learn several of them. I'm going to do an insert 1 to go ahead and get out of this keyboard learn mode.
Keyboard help off.
And I'm going to open up a Microsoft Word document to go over some of the shortcuts that JAWS has in a Word document. I'm going to activate the Start menu. There's lots of ways. I'm going to do Control Escape.
Menu, search box, edit, type text and edit.
Type in Word.
Microsoft Word 2010, F. Leaving menus. Document 1, Microsoft Word, print view, edit.
Now that I'm in Microsoft Word, I can find specific shortcuts for this application using Windows, I'm sorry, I said Windows, but Insert W. So I'm holding down Insert, pressing W.
The following MS Word shortcut keys may be useful. Create a new document, Control plus N. Open an existing.
And I press Control to have it stop talking. So these are actually Windows-specific shortcuts. So they're not related to JAWS, although a lot of JAWS users use the shortcuts. So it's nice to have these available. And you could just down arrow through these shortcuts.
Save a document, Control plus S. Print a document, Control plus P. Undo the last edit command, Control plus Z. Repeat the last edit command, Control plus Y.
Okay, and we can go down the whole menu, but it gives a brief review of some of those shortcuts. To get out of this, I'll press Escape.
Lang, edit.
And I'm going to do another shortcut to get to some JAWS specific. So Insert H.
Link set quick settings, insert plus V. Link say the current field, Control plus insert plus.
And I pressed again the Control key to get it to stop talking. I will down arrow through some of these.
Link say the line and column of the caret, insert plus delete. Link toggle the writing mode from insert to over type alt plus Control plus I. Link say the first cell in the current column, insert plus space. Link say the first cell in the current row is link close. Link say the version of MS Word being used, Control plus insert plus V.
Control Insert V will tell you the version of Word you're using. So this is specific to JAWS, and these shortcuts will work with Microsoft Word. I love this because you could actually copy these, highlight them, copy them, and then paste them into another document, and you can create your own little shortcut list and save that document and put it where you want. I'm going to escape out of here.
Lang, edit.
Another one is going to be the Insert F1, and you press it twice quickly. So I'll hold Insert, press F1 twice.
Popular applications, contents page, preview, topic word, 11 of it.
And it has several different categories I could choose. I'm going to up and down arrow through this list. I'll down arrow first.
Level 0, topic Mozilla Firefox, topic Quattro Pro, topic Real Player,
Okay, I'm going to go back up to where it said Microsoft Word, though.
topic Quattro Pro, topic Mozilla Firefox, level 1, topic Word, 11 of 11.
Okay, and in this field, to navigate to the other frame, I'm going to use the F6 key.
Link list of all supported applications. Page has 1 heading and 7 links. Microsoft Word heading level 1, heading level 1, Microsoft Word.
And now I'm in the frame where it is specific to Word.
Microsoft Word is a word processing application that gives you the ability to create professional quality documents that you can share and print, email.
Okay, and I could
Link
down
Lang. Visited link JAWS commands for Word.
JAWS commands for words. I could press Enter there,
Link helpful hints for using JAWS with Word.
and then helpful hints. So I could press Enter on here, and it will activate those. I'm going to go ahead and close this out as well.
Lang. Link helpful.
And I press Escape, but I actually have to do an Alt F4 here.
Document 1, Microsoft Word.
And I'm
Edit.
back in my Microsoft Word document. The final help menu that I'm going to show is the JAWS search box for help. So I'm going to do insert spacebar, and then once you hear that click, I'm going to type the letter J.
Search for JAWS commands dialog. Read mistaken suggestion. Insert plus F7. Type in text.
And it already popped up, filled in what I had done before. Last time I put in the word spell, S-P-E-L-L.
Mistaken suggestion.
And because I wanted to learn some of those shortcuts that could help me find the misspelled words, I'll tab to the list.
Read mistaken suggestion. Insert plus F7 heading level 3.
And then I could just down arrow through here.
This keystroke reads the mistaken suggestion when the spell check. Link JAWS key plus F7. Blank. Heading level 3. Link read word and context. Insert plus C.
And read word and context. I love that one. So when I have the spell check dialog box open, which you just press F7 when in Microsoft Word, and you want to hear the word in context so you know which version, like the word there, T-H-E-R-E, T-H-E-I-R, and there's a few others, you can do insert C and it will read that word in context. So that is a brief summary of several different help options in JAWS with Windows.